to the residents and visitors of St. Martin. As we approach the peak of the hurricane season, the government of St. Martin and its disaster emergency management system over the past months have been very busy internally coordinating and training with external stakeholders to improve our preparedness and response to weather-related and other natural disasters. This is a work in progress. In the meantime, earlier today, Thursday, July 5th, Tropical Depression Number 2 weather system has formed in the eastern Atlantic Ocean over 1,200 miles from the Lesser Antilles and has been upgraded to Tropical Storm Beryl. Wind speeds are 50 miles per hour with high gust. Tropical Storm Beryl is moving westward to west-northward towards the Caribbean island chain. On this forecast track, Beryl will remain east of the Lesser Antilles through Sunday. Tropical Storm Beryl could become a hurricane by Friday or Saturday. The system, according to the National Hurricane Center, is forecast to weaken into a trough system just east of the Lesser Antilles over the weekend and will likely bring locally heavy rains and gusty winds to portions of the Leeward Islands on Sunday and on Monday. According to the National Hurricane Center, there are no watches or warnings in effect at this point in time. The Emergency Operations Center, or EOC, is closely monitoring the progress of Tropical Storm Beryl. Residents are advised to monitor information from the St. Martin Met Department and the Department of Communication. Tropical Storm Beryl is a reminder that we are in the hurricane season and residents should be prepared to take action when required. I call on all residents and the business community to review your hurricane season preparations by checking your disaster supply kit and reviewing your disaster plan. Additional updates about Tropical Storm Beryl will be provided when necessary. Thank you for your attention, and may God bless our St. Martin and keep us safe.